This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Bay State Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 703 Washington Street in Easton.